right, so we're gonna make a repair to this shingle right here. Barely lift it just to get to the nail. Find the nail. One thing, the nail is very high nailed. You can see that it's tearing the shingle. Alright. As you can see, remove the shingle. I'm going to put the shingle back. This roof is very brittle, very old, and you can see where they hit these are kind of high, so I have to lift the shingles up just a little bit more. Just to get to that nail. Alright, I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna use what Allstate asked me to use. It's the snake jack. You can literally see the granules falling off. So look at that. This granule's just so loose. Look at that. Granule's just falling off. So this literally makes this roof non-repairable. And by using the snake jack, it caused damage. It bruised the pad, that crease, that one crease. That one crease. And also that one. So as you can see that, and this one, and right there too, that this roof is non-repairable due to the widespread wind damage. The roof is old and brittle. So this makes, even attempting to remove the shingles, you can just see the granules falling off. Now you can see where it creased the shingle, the impact, because the lack of granules from the snake jack. And yeah, this roof is non-repairable.